Okay, originally, talk show was supposed to be bright, wonderful, and great. And I didn't plan this, but we seem to be in kind of like interesting times here. But we're gonna premiere a talk show which is called ASTS, which stands for Russian Structure. But the title of it, the actual title ASTS stands for will be a secret. But anyway, I'm gonna premiere it with some guests tomorrow. But I wanted to give you like a little preview thing. But we're not gonna go down the rabbit hole of talking about everything on the world and how things are happening, because the idea is a show to be timeless. And if we start talking about stuff now and then months later, then people are like, well, what was that about? What was that about? Then one thing, this is a new show, so it's gonna be entertaining, have some guests here, have some things here. And where am I at? I'm in the basement. Well, down the basement down here. But anyway, so like I say, this will be an interesting little experiment here. So stay tuned. All right, remember, as Michael's Kim Simmons are, and there are no small movies, only small budgets.